In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color in Google Calendar. Changing calendar colors in Google Calendar is a simple way to keep things organized and make your schedule easier to scan at a glance. Whether you want to separate work from personal events, highlight a shared calendar, or just give your calendar a cleaner look, this can be done in just a few clicks. To begin, open Google Calendar and look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find your list of calendars. Depending on what you're trying to edit, you'll want to look under either My Calendars or Other Calendars. My Calendars usually includes calendars you own or regularly manage, while Other Calendars may include shared calendars, subscribed calendars, or calendars added from other sources. Once you find the calendar you want to change, move your cursor over its name. When you hover over it, additional options will appear. Look for the 3 vertical dots next to the calendar name. This is the Options menu, and it gives you quick access to customization settings for that specific calendar. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A small menu will open showing several color choices. You can select any of the preset colors by clicking one of the colored circles. As soon as you choose a color, Google Calendar updates that calendar right away, which makes it easy to preview the result instantly. If the preset colors don't match what you want, there's also a way to use a custom color. In the same color menu, click the plus sign. This allows you to enter a custom color using a hex code. That's especially useful if you want a very specific shade, or if you're matching a color theme you already use for work, school, or personal planning. After you choose your new color, there's nothing else you need to save. The change takes effect automatically. That means your calendar entries connected to that calendar will now display using the new color, helping you recognize them more quickly. As a helpful tip, using distinct colors for different calendars can make your weekly and monthly views much easier to read. Just try not to use colors that are too similar, or the visual benefit may be reduced. And that's all it takes to change color in Google Calendar. It's a quick customization, but it can make a big difference in how clearly you manage your time.